Alright, YouTube, jumping straight into the video, man. YouTube ideas 2020, 2021, 2021, 2022.
Well, duh.
Yeah, alright, bet. Music videos. If you do music, do some music videos, you know? Get up in there and turn up, or hit it with the vibes, or just be chill, or settle, or I don't know, you know? But you want to do YouTube, you can do some music videos if you're into that nature, that genre, you know what I mean? Another one, workout videos. Quarantine, do some homemade workout videos. Let people know how they can get fit at the crib, at the casa, mi casa, su casa, workout casa, you know what I'm saying?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Yeah, I was gonna get in that. Freestyle, that's like another music thing, or you can just rap or put down some rhymes real quick, or like a little 8-track, you know what I'm saying? But you could just do some freestyle, acapella, or sing or something with no beat or no nothing. Just make like a little video real quick, put it on the tube, make like millions of those. That could be a little idea, you know, a little something. You could blow up from that and go up from that, you know? But reaction videos, yeah, that goes across the board. You can do any genre in that area. Reaction videos all the way out there. You can do music, you can do food, you can do fighting, you can do hair reaction videos, you can do your own reaction videos, your video reactions of your videos.
That you
could do it. You could do it all. You can't.
You want him to do you so much you could do anything?
For reaction videos. Q&A vids, you know what I'm saying? Q&A videos. Question and answers and questions. So you can do videos on questions that people have asked and you answer them, or questions you give yourself to answer for your audience or for your subscribers or viewers or whatever your platform is, which is most likely YouTube. Unless you have questions from other, you know, content from different platforms or TikTok or Instagram or whatever. But if you live by a beach, you can make beach videos. Now that is just preferably on you and how you are and what you like to do out there on the beach, or what you can do out there on the beach. Beach content, yeah, look that up. Yeah, search that up. Go out there, do some surfing, do some sliding, do some boogie board, do some tricks in the sand.
Dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude.
Some flips in the sand.
Just like you pull in and you just get spit right out of them.
Play in the sand, art in the sand.
And you just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah.
Sand in the sand, you know what I'm saying? You could just, you know what I'm saying?
Drop down, snap, ah! And then after that, you just drop in, you just ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted.
Like, you know, you just do what you ask questions on the beach, you go to parties on the beach, do a lot of beach videos, that's all I know, some beach videos. Mall videos, everybody do mall videos. I don't know about the mall videos, but it's like a teen thing more so than like an older, or, you know, older folk type of thing, or like a just starting out child type of thing. You just kind of want to go to the mall and, you know, you do like a little, you know, sort of kind of like a little vlog action, but you ask questions at the mall, random questions, crazy questions, nasty, funny, hilarious, scary, amazing, wild type questions. But at the mall though, at like a popular mall or a banging mall or a mall that's known, a lot of people go, or maybe you're just known in that city, you know, or that area or that little town or whatnot. Some roasting videos. Everyone loves a good joke. Not a lot of people love a good cussing, you know. Don't cuss, however you want to say it. Try not to. If you got to, get it out there, you know. But hey, start jobbing, joning, making fun of, you know, friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, you know. But a roasting video, you can roast other videos, make fun of other videos. Try not to be too harsh, too mean. Don't be racist. Roasting videos can kind of go up. It just depends on the content or what it's about or overall. But this generation loves a good joke. I promise you, they love a good laugh, like a laughter, you know. But let's see. Car videos. You can do a lot of car videos. You can do a lot of stuff about cars, on cars. You can do in the car, a lot of stuff. You just car videos. Car. If you got a nice car, YouTube that thing every day. How fast it go, how slow it go. You like it, how the paint job look, the rims, the tires, the wheel, the radio, the touchscreen, whatever you got going on, the music, however, the amps, the speakers, the seats, the leather, the whatever you got going on. Car videos. Or you do videos in the car on whatever your topic or content or subject may be. Just like mukbang videos. You can eat in the car, eat wherever, but mukbang videos. Mukbang. M-U-K bang. Bang. But sing-alongs. Now a lot of people don't really like sing-alongs because, like, you know, copyright. But you can dispute it and always get it back up for monetization, to be monetized and get paid for it. But hey, you like got a song, you sing along to it, word it, you can whatever, be in the car. There are sing-along videos and actual episodes and song and actual like YouTube TV shows that I have seen. Sing-along is kind of like a good thing. It's not really big, not really, you know, too small either, but it's just not really at the top of your list. But sing-along videos are a thing. You could do that. Let's see. You could do ideas, whatever you want to do with idea. Okay, now idea video is just like, let's see, something you would look up in 2021, jobs to get in 2021. That's an idea, and you could say, hey, these 5 jobs, these 10 jobs, or 5 things to work on at home, 5 places to work out, 5 places to go shopping. You know what I'm saying? It's an idea video. It's a video of pick 5 to 10 things, or however many items, or you know, however many you want to pick, and then you just talk about them and you give your opinion on them, or your researched opinion on them, or some facts, you know, cold hard facts. Let's see. Like, for example, 3 things not to do on YouTube. Everybody need to look up that. 5 things not to do on YouTube. How to get started. 5 ways to get started on YouTube. 5 business ideas. You could look up. People gonna look up that. Let's see. 5 streams of income. 3 major streams of income. 5 apps you must have on your phone. 5 social media apps you must have. 5 editing apps. Everyone needs to know stuff like that. You know, things that people will look up. Make videos on them. You know, idea videos. You know, 5 YouTube apps you must have to keep up with your YouTube. Yada yada. 5 music apps you must have to listen to. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's different ways. 3, 4, 5, 10, 13, 45, 47. 45, 47. And you know what I'm saying? You can just look it up. You do how-to videos. I'm probably gonna end it with this. How-to videos, that's it. Everybody need to know how to do something. That's what YouTube is for informational entertainment. You know, or entertainment, or that's informational, or you know, they're just alone, separately, together, whatever, information or entertainment. So basically, like how to make thumbnails, how to anything with TikTok, how to do something with YouTube, how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, top 3 sources to make income, how to get a business license, how to ride a horse, how to train a dog, how to eat fish, how to cook fish, how to fish, like. You know what I'm saying? Like how to become a shoe reseller, how to become a wholesaler, how to become an entrepreneur, steps in getting a job, or steps to invest into stocks, or how to invest in stocks, or how to grow your hair, how to grow taller. It's so much more out there. How-to videos are kind of lit too. And these are some great YouTube ideas and tips and tricks you gotta, you know what I'm saying, get into, you gotta get involved with. But you would do videos people would like to search up, things that you would want to search up and notice. Like people might want to know, you know, how to do reviews or doing reviews on YouTube, but it's all out there, man. Do your research, do your check, background, front ground.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Get it out there and do it, man. So you can go out there, find what you can find, make videos on it, and get started, man. And this is just YouTube ideas to do. from your boy HotBoyJoshh. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe, definitely like. I might want to share this to somebody, you know. Y'all go look this video up. It's nice, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all just like, comment, share, subscribe. Go cop some merch, man. Bless up and boss up. Got it in everything you need. Toddlers, kids, babies, infants, little girls, little boys, women, men, elders, grandpas, grandmas. I got it. Hoodie, jacket, sweaters, whatever you need, I got it. Tops only. Go get it, man. Go get it. You can rock it. It got a little something on the back, but you gotta go to the website, JBreezzy.com. But y'all go cop some merch, man. The link is definitely down in all my videos. It's down below. JBreezzy.com is the site. Capital J, capital B, REEZZY.com. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned. I'm out.